It can be inferred that the events in this passage took place A. Before electricity was commonly used, B. Before neon lights were commonly used, C. After solar energy was used, or D. After electricity was commonly used. Because all of our choices surround the idea of lights and electricity, let's take careful note of where this is mentioned in the passage. The only place we specifically see this mentioned is in the first sentence, which tells us, "Sometimes I would wake and there was a big figure in khaki peering down at me in the candlelight." Because the speaker tells us he would wake and the figure would be looking at him, we can deduce that it must have been nighttime, or at the very least, evening time. If candlelight is being used to light the room at night or evening time, it can be inferred that this is probably taking place before electricity was commonly used. Therefore, we can go down into our choices and select A, before electricity was commonly used, as our final answer.